You sit down, open your laptop. Tell yourself, all right, this time I'm gonna focus. 5 minutes later, you're on your phone, scrolling, clicking, switching tabs, and now you're thinking, why can't I just focus like a normal person? But here's the truth. It's not your fault. Your brain has been trained to be distracted. Think about your day. You wake up, check your phone, watch short videos, scroll, switch apps. Your brain is constantly getting fast, easy dopamine. No effort, no thinking, just quick hits of stimulation. So when you sit down to study, your brain goes, wait, this is slow. This is hard. I don't like this. And it starts searching for something easier. That's why you can't focus. You've probably done this. You open your notes, then suddenly, I'll just check one message. I'll watch one video. Next thing you know, 1 hour is gone, or worse. You're studying but switching tabs every 2 minutes. Yeah, that's not focus. That's distraction with guilt. The problem isn't that you're lazy. It's that your brain is addicted to instant reward. Focus feels boring. Because it is, at first. But we've trained ourselves to avoid anything that feels uncomfortable. So every time it gets hard, you escape. Phone, music, videos, anything. And that cycle keeps repeating. So how do you fix this? Not with motivation, not with willpower. You fix it by changing your environment. Here's what actually works. 1. Remove the distraction. Put your phone away, not next to you. Away. 2. Start small. Don't say, I'll study for 2 hours. Say, I'll focus for 10 minutes. 3. Embrace boredom. Yeah, boredom. Because that's where focus comes from. If you can sit there and do nothing else, your brain will finally lock in. Because focus isn't something you find. It's something you build. So next time you sit down to work, don't expect it to feel easy. It won't. But stay there anyway. Even if it's messy, even if it's slow, because every time you resist distraction, you're training your brain to become stronger. And that's how you take control back. You don't have a focus problem. You have a distraction habit. Fix that, and everything changes.